Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add artifacts to your avatar in Abyss Roblox. So in here, the artifacts will look like this, floating around behind you in the game. It looks like bubble. And I'm going to show you how you can equip the artifacts to your avatar in Abyss. So what you need to do to get the artifact first, you need to have this mossy geode or geode like this, or you can also get it by using the hard geode. And after you hold the geode, you can just talk to Barelia to open the artifacts. So after you open the artifacts, it will show in here in your inventory artifacts. You can see I have a few. If you just start, you'll get one slot or one loadout, but if you already reach level 10, you can get 2 loadout. And to equip, you can just click on equip in here. Okay, let's remove one first, and you can just click on equip, and that's it. You'll get the artifacts. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.